Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see available storage on OPPO A15s. So if you're running low on space, this is how you can check storage and clean up your OPPO A15s in seconds. So first step, you can just open to your settings and scroll down to the storage option, this one, RAM and storage space, or you can also tap the search bar at the top and type storage. And next, you'll see in here in the RAM and storage space menu, you'll see how much storage is used and what's taking space, like videos, apps, system, or images. So after that, you can just tap on free up space or manually delete unused apps and large files to clean things up. So in here, you can tap on manage storage options. You can see you'll see in this page remove items, and as you guys can see here, by default it will suggest you to delete the file that isn't used, or maybe the file that is too large on your devices. You can also just do it manually by clicking on the file that only you want to delete. You can select one by one like this, and once you are done selecting the file that you want to delete, you can just tap on free up and tap on the free up space again to confirm. And to delete unused apps or maybe games, you can just go back to your home screen and find the apps that you no longer use or you don't need anymore. For example, in here, I'm going to delete this one. You can just tap on the trash icon and click on uninstall. So you can just check your space regularly to avoid your space running out of storage, or your phone is lag a lot because there's no space left. So that's all from me. Your OPPO A15s is now lighter and faster. Like and subscribe for more quick OPPO tips, and also don't forget to click on thanks. Bye.